Hi students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of indefinite integration, exercise 10, class 12. We are using partial fractions to do these problems. First question, integral x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. Right? So first I am taking the given fraction x by x minus 1 into x minus 2, that can be written as a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. X by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Take LCM, cancel it. X equal to a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 1. So to get the value of a, what should you do? Make the coefficient of b, make it equal to 0, x equal to 1. To get the value of b, make the coefficient of a 0, x equal to 2. So simple logic to get, if x equal to 1 implies 1 equal to a times minus 1. So a value will be minus 1. If x equal to 2, then 2 equal to, this will be 0. This b times 2 minus 1. So b value 2. Right? So now I am taking fraction x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Now take the integral. Now integral x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx equal to integral minus 1 by x minus 1 dx plus integral 2 times 1 by x minus 2 dx. Right? So if you write the integration minus mod log x minus 1 plus 2 times log mod x minus 2 plus c. First 2 send it, minus log mod x minus 1 plus log mod x minus 2 whole square plus c. It looks like log a minus log b, so we can write log a by b plus c. Therefore integral x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx equal to log mod x minus 2 whole square by x minus 1 plus c. That is the final answer. Right? Second one is different from this. Look at the question. Second one, integral, isn't this integral x square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. Here degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator. In this case we have to take, so x square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to, by the way, what are the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6? We can write x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. We are given quadratic expression in the denominator, we have to split it. So x of x minus 3 minus 2 of x minus 3. So x minus 3 times x minus 2. So we can write that. Before that, write the coefficient of x square by coefficient of x square, that is 1 by 1. 1 plus, we can write this x square plus 1 by Otherwise I can write a by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 2. Directly we can split here. Right? A by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 2. In every case of degrees, if degree is same or more, what should you do? If the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to, we have to divide the coefficient of highest term by highest term. Here x square is the coefficient. Coefficient of x square is 1. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 by 1 means we will get 1. So I am splitting now. So if you split this integration now, I have to find the values of a and b now. Right? So how do we do that? X square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to, take LCM here, we will get x minus 2 of x minus 3 plus a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 3 upon x minus 3 of x minus 2. If you simplify this, you will get again same fraction. These two cancel. X square plus 1 equal to x minus 2 of x minus 3 plus a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 3. Now, as I told you earlier, to get the value of a, we have to make the coefficient of b, x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. To get the value of b, make x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Okay? Now, for that, if x equal to 3 first, put the value 3 square, 9 plus 1, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 3, this will be 0. So a times 3 minus 2, 1. So a value will be 10. If x equal to 2, then 2 square, 4 plus 1 equal to, again this will be 0. B times 2 minus 3 minus 1. So b equal to minus 5. 10 and minus 5. So we can write now x square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 1 plus 10 upon x minus 3 minus 5 upon x minus 2. These are the partial fractions. If you simplify this, we will get the same fraction. Now I am taking integration. Integral x square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx equal to integral 1 dx plus 10 times integral 1 by x minus 3 dx minus 5 times integral 1 by x minus 2 dx. X plus 10 times log mod x minus 3, 5 times log mod x minus 2 plus, that is the final answer. Therefore, integral x square plus 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 dx equal to x plus 10 log mod x minus 3 minus 5 log mod x minus 2 plus. So, when should we follow this method? If degree of numerator is greater than or equal to, we have to divide the highest coefficient by highest coefficient. Here x square coefficient 1 by 1. So we will get 1 plus split the fractions as it is. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.